So this phone has disappearing cameras. Wait, what? What's up guys, Poor Techie here, and today we're gonna be talking about the Oneplus Concept One. So it's a very first concept phone from Oneplus and they just unveiled it on CES 2020. And the most interesting part of this phone are those disappearing cameras, about which I'll talk in a bit, but first of all let's talk about the design. The phone is the same as OnePlus 7T Pro, but this time it's got a McLaren papaya orange leather back, because this time it's also a collaboration with McLaren. And in the middle of the leather there is a glass slab where those hidden cameras lie. And now you might be wondering that how is it possible? And now let me tell you that this is not a normal glass but an electrochromic glass. It's the same glass that some supercars including McLaren use in their sunroofs. When you give a little electric charge to it, it just turns transparent from opaque and you can see through it. What actually happens is that when you give an electric charge to it, the molecules just change their positions and you can see through it. So this is what happens when you open the camera app on the phone. The electric charge passes through the glass, making it transparent. And when you close the camera app, the electric charge disappears, so the camera also disappears because the glass again becomes opaque. So are there any advantages to this? Let's talk about this. With the help of this glass, this phone provides ND or neutral density filter. If you don't know what ND is, I'll tell you. Actually, ND is an external filter which you can use on cameras like DSLRs for taking photos or shooting videos, and it's very useful when you are shooting videos or taking photos in a very bright environment like this. And when you just apply this filter, everything just gets back to normal. So this is what this phone does with that glass. On the phone you can turn on ND by going into the Pro mode and then tapping on the top right corner, and it will adjust the exposure back to normal when you're shooting in a very bright environment. It's not as good as that external filter which I just showed you, but after all it's just a concept, and seeing these kind of things on a phone just feels amazing. At least some innovation is happening. So thanks a lot for watching guys. This was today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to the video and to subscribe to the channel. And for now, peace out.